In this video, we'll show you how to harness the power of email marketing to grow your business and connect with your audience effectively. First, build your email list with quality subscribers. Offer valuable incentives, like exclusive content or discounts, to encourage sign-ups. Remember, a healthy email list can lead to higher engagement and conversions. Next, craft engaging and personalized content. Address your subscribers by name and segment your list to send targeted messages. Whether it's a newsletter, product update, or special promotion, it is relevant to their interests. Keep your emails mobile-friendly. Nowadays, most people check their emails on their smartphones. Ensure your content is easily readable and visually appealing on smaller screens. Don't forget your call to action. Encourage your readers to act by including clear and compelling buttons or links. Whether it's buy now, learn more, or subscribe, make it stand out. Monitor your email analytics. Track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Analyzing data will help you refine your strategy and improve your results. Lastly, use an email marketing platform. There are several excellent tools available that can streamline your campaigns, automate workflows, and help you stay organized. Click the link in the comments for more details.